Worked with North Florida Professional Services on many projects. Perimeter Road being our latest one that we've completed.
North Florida Professional Service is very professional. They did a very good job. They were very timely, and overall I would grade them A+ for doing such a splendid job.
Where County Road 49 comes in there by the S&S, and it's going to run out by Lowe's at Walmart. I think it's been going on for about 10 years. It's been a long project. It's had a lot of community support and a lot of different partners. Board of County Commissioners, City of Live Oak, North Florida Professional Services, DOT, Suwannee River Water Management. All of them worked together over the past 10 years to bring us to the point today where we'd have a ribbon cutting and open this road up for the first time to the public.
It's another great day.
You know, they are such great partners, not just engineering partners, but they're great economic development partners. We're really pleased to have North Florida Professional Services with us. They've been long-time partners, not only with the Perimeter Road project, but we utilize them on many other projects.